together. The rocket flew. The flight. The rocket flight.
The rocket flight. Okay. So, do you see it at the bottom?
Yes.
Read it.
Max. Gets this
His.
rocket.
His.
His rocket. The
The owl.
The owl.
the owl. The down from the shelf.
Very good. Read again.
Max gets his rocket down from shelf.
From the shelf.
From the shelf. So, do you see Max over here? So, he has made a rocket, toy rocket, and he took it from the shelf. Okay, now let's see what is going to happen. Nitara, let's see now. Read this, Nitara. Let me read that.
Max
Yes.
the shrinks
Shrink.
shrinks
Shrink. Max.
thing.
That means he presses a button on his watch, the super watch X button, and shrink. Shrink मतलब छोटा हो गया. Do you see? सबसे small size का. Yeah. So he becomes small.
Yog, no.
Now what is this? Read it, Nitara.
Look.
No.
Look at the rocket.
Yes. This is.
Let us go on a flight.
Very good.
Ow. How?
Yes. So Nog, the robot or the alien, he looks at the rocket and he says, let's go on a flight in this rocket. So Max is asking, how will we go? It is a toy rocket.
Yog, your turn.
Now
Unmute
let's
yourself.
read this. You unmute yourself.
Unmute yourself. Knock.
Knock.
R.
St. Knocks are st.
नहीं start.
Knock starts the rocket. What it yeah. With your
With.
With
this
Her is.
his
P. Ow. है वो.
ow
Powers. Powers. अपनी मैजिकल पावर से उसने रॉकेट को स्टार्ट कर दिया. He started the rocket. Read again.
Knock started the rocket.
Started नहीं है वो. Starts.
Knock starts the rocket with his powers.
Yes. So he starts the rocket because it's a toy rocket, so only some magic can start it. So he started it.
Zap.
Yes, zoom zap. Now read this, Nitara. What is happening here? Unmute yourself, Nitara.
Max and Knock get in the rocket. Zoom up. Higher and higher.
Very good. Read again.
Max and Knock
Yeah. नहीं, न से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, एन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम एन.
Knock, Max and Knock get in the rocket, zoom up higher and higher.
Yes. Now both of them, both Max and Knock, वो दोनों रॉकेट के अंदर बैठ गए. और रॉकेट कहाँ जा रहा है? Higher and higher.
यू
पर
अनम्यूट
बचा.
करना अपने आप को, फिर बोलना.
Now let's read this. You.
The rocket spin and the what is still
ट्व इज टू.
Work
This-
is
in the
in the air. Read again.
The rocket spin and twist
ट्विस्ट.
in the air.
Yes. So when the rocket zooms up, it is spinning and twisting and going here and there in the air. Then what happened? Sitara, unmute yourself.
Help.
Ah, they are shouting for help. Read it.
Going to
So
pass the
they
count
क्या word है ये?
cannot stop.
Very. Read again.
They are going to pass the cannot.
They.
They cannot stop.
Now the rocket is zooming and going so fast कि अब वो stop ही नहीं कर पा रहे rocket को. They cannot stop and they are shouting help. Now what happened? Let's read this. You
अनम्यूट.
The rocket
अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
unmute yourself. You.
the rocket
ई.
flips the
देन.
then it bounces down.
Points.
Down.
Yes. Read again.
The rocket
क्या word है ये?
flips
Yes.
then it pointed
पॉइंट्स.
Points down. तो वो फ्लिप हो गया एयर में, बहुत तेज स्पिन एंड ट्विस्ट होके फ्लिप हो गया और अब वो नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है स्पीड में. नाउ रीड दिस. यू.
The rocket is going to crash into
ऑल.
all
All
books.
books. Yes, books. Read again.
The rocket is going to
क्रैश.
crash into all books.
All the
The.
books. All the books. तो अब वो रॉकेट इतनी स्पीड में नीचे आ रहा है that it's going to crash in the books on the bookshelf. Now read this, Nitara. Unmute yourself.
Turn right
The owl.
now.
Yes. Read again.
Turn right down.
Right now.
Right now.
तो अब वो स्पीड से बुक शेल्फ में क्रैश होने वाले हैं तो नॉक बोल रहा है टर्न कर लो बिकॉज बुक शेल्फ में चले जाएंगे तो टेक द टर्न. देन व्हाट
लाइट आ गई। क्या हुआ मैं तुमको? मैम
रुक जाओ।
मैम नो लिखा आ रहा है।